Pilau rice is infused in a blend of warm spices, delivering a rich, authentic flavor. There are different types of pilau. For example, we have some beef, chicken, mutton pilau. But in this recipe, we're going to be making egg pilau, which is going to turn out very delicious, packed with lots of protein, and it's going to be budget friendly. So why not try this recipe? Eggs are the key ingredient in this recipe, and I have 6 for the recipe. I also have prepped up some onions, garlic and ginger. We have seasoning cubes, cooking oil, pilau masala. We have salt, and also I have washed 1.5 cups of rice several times to get rid of the excess starch. Soaking your rice is going to take around 10 to 20 minutes at most, and because I've already soaked for 5 minutes, the rice is going to continue soaking as I boil my eggs. And I've already placed a pot with boiling water ready to add in my eggs. I'm going to add in a pinch of salt, which is going to help me peel my eggs. Then I'm going to carefully drop in clean eggs into the boiling water. So I'm going to use a spatula to do so. The best part about the recipe is that you can double, triple the ingredients to make some more delicious pilau. For a hard-boiled egg, it's going to take around 10 minutes. So if you have not prepped up your onions and garlic, you can do so at this point, and you're going to find everything listed in the description box down below. Also, I have some pilau masala, which I always make at home because it's more flavorful, because you get to toast the spices, grind the spices yourself, and make some delicious, flavorful pilau masala. So you can check the description also for a link for the full recipe. When the eggs are ready, you're going to transfer to a bowl with cold water. And the cold water is going to help the eggs cool down so that peeling can be easier. So I'm going to place a pot for cooking my pilau over medium flame. Then I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil for frying 1 large white onion and 1 large red onion, which I'm going to transfer to my pot. Saute for around a minute or until the onions get a lovely golden brown color. Onions also are part of the key ingredients when it comes to making pilau because they give you that signature brown color in your pilau. So sauteing the onions slowly until they get a golden brown color is going to seep into the pilau, and the rice is going to get a brownish color. So no adding soy sauce, no adding in brown sauce for browning your pilau. All you need is slowly sauteing your onions. When the onions are starting to brown, you're going to add in a thumb-sized ginger, which is roughly chopped up, together with 5 cloves of garlic. You can add in some more to add in that signature aroma in the pilau. So as the onions are cooking over medium flame, I'm going to peel my eggs. So I'm going to brush on my countertop, and peeling is going to be very easy because we have added in a pinch of salt while boiling the eggs, and also we have shocked the eggs by adding in cold water, so they have cooled down, released the egg from the membrane, that is the shell. So peeling is going to be very easy. Check on your onions as they're cooking so that they don't get a dark color. And as you can see, peeling is easy peasy. So I'm going to pick a bowl and transfer in, check on my onions. At this point, the garlic, ginger, and onions are ready. So I'm going to add in 2 seasoning cubes, a beef stock cube, and a tablespoon of pilau masala. Saute the spices together with the onions. Then you're going to drain water from your rice and add into the pot. Stir in the rice and add in salt to season. Toss for around a minute, and this is going to make the rice very flavorful because it's going to absorb in the pilau masala. The rice is very delicate because you have been soaking for around 15 to 20 minutes, so it's plump, so breaking is quite easy. So just be careful while the rice is toasting. So I'm going to continue peeling my eggs as everything is cooking. Check on my rice. Fully toasted, and the rice is getting that brown color from the onions. So now I'm going to add in 3 cups of water. Stir in the rice, and we are cooking 1.5 cups of rice. So you're going to add in 3 cups of water. 1 part of rice equals 2 parts of water. So if you're cooking 2 cups of rice, you're going to add in 4 cups of water. Always measure water before adding into your pot whenever you're cooking rice for that perfect outcome. You're going to cook your rice for around 4 to 5 minutes until the water is fully evaporated. But in between, you're going to add in your peeled eggs. Check the seasoning at this point. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in some more salt. We have all those nice flavors from the pilau masala, which is a combination of several spices. As you can see, the water has evaporated. So now I'm going to cover, reduce the flames to low. Next, we're going to steam the rice for 5 minutes, and it's going to slowly cook, absorbing all those nice flavors from the pilau masala, and the eggs are going to soak in the pilau masala as well. So everything is going to turn out very flavorful, well seasoned. It's very important for you to buy some good quality rice if you want that perfect outcome. And there are several rices, including long grain basmati rice, short grain basmati rice, which always turn out perfect. But also, if you can get some good quality rice apart from basmati rice, it's also perfect. So now it's just a matter of waiting for the pilau to get ready. And this is a one-of-a-kind pilau because it's budget friendly and it's going to turn out delicious. This is how your rice is going to be looking when ready, and just look at that. So I'm going to put out the flames, fluff up my rice. Check out how perfectly the rice is cooked. The pilau is moist. There's something I hate when it comes to pilau. Eating some dry pilau is never good. So now I'm going to pick a platter, serve my rice, and my, oh my, everything is perfect. The color is perfect. This is a platter for 2, but it depends on how hungry you are. So now I'm going to top up with my eggs. This is how my pilau has turned out, and as you can see, it's gorgeous. The rice is perfectly cooked, the eggs are well cooked, and each bite is going to be absolutely amazing because the rice is super flavorful, well seasoned, just perfect for every bite. Bye-bye.